welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, in today's video I will be trying for the first time, y'all, a headband wig. This video was sponsored by YGwigs, so thank you YGwigs for sending out this wig. So yeah, if y'all want to know all the tea, all the details, then keep watching. Your girl is giving very much so bald vibes right now, okay? So I washed my hair earlier and just put my hair into 2 braids. Nothing fancy, so don't come for me, okay? And I haven't even laid my edges down yet, but we're gonna go ahead and do that on camera. The box came into this packaging here that says YGwigs. I don't know if the ride was a little rough, but the box did come a little beat down. It's all right though, because everything on the inside made it safe. So they did send some goodies inside of this box, which is so exciting because you have different headbands. So first we have 2 wig caps. This edge control brush, okay, very much so needed, because if you are planning on wearing this wig, your hair is going to have to be, you know, left out a little bit. Then you have a pack of headbands. We have like a little cheetah one, a colorful little flower, and then this. I like it because you have 3 different type of vibes and they can pretty much match most of your outfits that are stretchy, okay, which, you know, is most likely going to be super comfortable to wear. Oh, and there's another headband in here. I love this color. 4 headbands here, 2 flexi rods. Those are just some yellow clips here to help with styling, I'm guessing. So the wig here in this video is a 18-inch kinky curly headband wig, and the density is 150%. It's a natural color. So first of all, y'all, I love me kinky curly. It's gonna look so much more natural on me. Let me give y'all a close-up of this wig. This is also my first time seeing the wig, touching it, looking at it. The curls are so stretchy and get back into that tight curl, you know, giving you that kinky curly texture, which they still feel super soft, but I am probably gonna wet it and add some products on it. What is a headband wig? So basically in the front here you have a headband with it, all right? It feels like a silk, type of a silk material, very soft, very stretchy. You do have some combs that are attached. You have 1 right behind the headband, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. This is how you're going to wear your wig. This Velcro is supposed to secure the wig around the back of your head, and also it's a headband around the back, so it can, you know, kind of look natural and you have no tracks showing, because we don't want to be out here looking crazy. I'm just gonna use this edge booster here and the brush that was sent to me in this package, and I'm gonna do my edges. Nothing too fancy. I'm gonna leave about this much out. Whatever y'all see right now, like right here, I'm gonna leave this out because I have my hair kind of parted in the middle, so I don't want that part showing. But I think this is enough to where I can do my edges and, you know, still have it look really natural. So I'm just gonna do what I know, you know what I'm saying? Don't judge your girl. This is not an edge tutorial. Because I don't want that middle part to show. So I'm gonna, you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I just did here? This is my first headband wig. This is giving me like the half wig vibes, you know, back in the day. But I feel like this is a little bit more secure because you have the Velcro attached around and all that good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and install this wig. Yeah, girl, this wig cap is small. But you know, it is not meant to come all the way up front at the same time. It's meant to be like halfway, you know what I'm saying? But I think I'm good with it right here. So I'm gonna attach the Velcro in the back to secure it. I hope y'all can see. So I attach that. Feels very comfortable. I want to fluff it out, give it a natural look. Okay, so now this is the look with no water, no products on the hair. Like I said, this is 18 inches, so it does shrink up. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this hair and add a few products to it, like leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I just wet this hair and put a little bit of Eco Style gel on it. It looks so light and fluffy, and when I tell you it feels light on my hands, it's so soft. I love it, y'all. There is no smell from this hair from me watering it. There is a little bit of shedding from this hair, not too crazy, but I've noticed that with kinky curly hair and deep wave type of hair, there is some shedding. But I'll just show you guys what I mean by like me just running my fingers through it right now. This is how much shedding I'm getting. Okay, so not too crazy. I can deal with this. I'm like the throw on and go type of girl, so this is gonna be a bomb. Ooh, so this is the vibe we're giving, y'all. I was on the phone for a few minutes, so the hair done dried a little bit, and it's giving volume and it's giving life. And here's the back. Yeah, let's get into the back. Here's the back of the hair. This is another headband that was sent with it. I really love this headband. I feel like especially during the fall, this is gonna be so comfy and cute with some hoop earrings. Make sure that your wig is secure, sis. Like, you know, the silk headband is really silky. So I would recommend, like, I don't know what it's called, but they sell these little, like, you wear it underneath your wig and it just holds a grip to your wig. I want to show y'all how I put this wig up. I honestly don't know how the back looks. Ooh, okay. Ooh. You see me. You in my business. Y'all know, if y'all watch TikTok, then y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, I love this messy bun right now. The back still looks good. Everything is secure and neat. Oh, this wig gets a thumbs up for me today, honey. So if you guys want to know all the details on this hair, including the direct link, check out my description box, and I'm also gonna have a coupon code for y'all because you know I got you. So yeah, this completes the look today, y'all. Make sure you get your hands on this wig. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below if you guys are feeling the whole headband wig or whatnot. But yeah, for me it gets a thumbs up. Yeah, this is definitely something I'm going to be rocking, especially when I'm on the go, which I always am. You throw one, girl, get your headband on, tighten that Velcro, and you out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah.